Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back. So today is another exciting day for everyone waiting for Ruel Carino's performance. Actually, parami ng parami ang mga naghihintay ng mga appearances niya, right? So this is now during his latest appearance in Itbulaga, like 10 hours ago. So tingnan natin kung ano ang kakantahin niya ngayon. Kasi last time, kumanta siya ng Matt Monroe cover, and then there was a bonus na OPM, right? Kaya ngayon naman, panoorin natin ulit siya para tignan natin kung ano naman ang mga kantang ibibigay niya sa atin ngayon. So, come on guys, let's all watch this, dive in. Let's have another experience from Ruel's beautiful music. Let's go. Come. Okay, here we go. Matt Monroe of the Philippines.
I couldn't say the things I should have said. Refused to let my heart control my head.
Nice.
But I was made to see the price I paid. And as I lost your love, the music played.
Wow. Ang galing ng boses niya. Talaga, no? Oh, kapapiraso rin. Just a part of the song. So, eto na. Magkayakap sa dilim.
Katawan mo ay aking kukumutan.
Maganda rin ang rendition niya sa mga OPM, no?
Iyong malilimutan. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim.
Wow.
Ito na ang pinakahihintay natin. Ito na tayo magkayakap sa dilim.
At least,
O kay sarap ng mga
well-known siya as Matt Monroe clone at sumisikat din as OPM singer, right?
sa dilim.
Wow. So that's it. Magkayakap sa dilim. Okay. Nice. Beautiful. Maganda rin ang rendition niya sa mga OPM songs na gaya nitong Magkayakap sa Dilim. Although, ang lyric ng kanta is medyo awkward sa edad niyang 14 years old. Naitawid naman niya ng maganda, komportable at masarap pakinggan. So like, magaling na siya sa mga Matt Monroe's cover. And likewise, magaling din siyang OPM singer. At maganda to, right? Kasi like I said in my previous videos, hindi siya nakabox sa pagiging Matt Monroe's clone only, but also as magaling na OPM singer, at doon, nagiging versatile na siya. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please do subscribe. And don't forget to write where you're watching from para alam ko kung hanggang saan ang inabot ng video kong ito. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye-bye.